Hi everyone, this is Mermaids Creative Channel, and today I'm gonna make a water DIY, and this is of me here. And so we are gonna need a few supplies. So you need some markers. You can use any markers, but today I'm gonna make a galaxy water DIY. So I'm gonna use purple, pink, and blue. Okay. You need some water and maybe one paintbrush or anything. And then you need something plastic. A Ziploc would work. And you need something like an index card. So I'm going to use index cards. Okay, remember to watch the video till the end and subscribe and like this video. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to color the Ziploc baggie with anything. So I'm doing blue, pink, purple. Blue, pink, purple, blue, purple, pink, blue, purple, pink. Okay, so I'm done with this. So I done this so far. Okay, I got this, and now I'm going to close all the caps so don't dry out. Okay, I'm going to leave these models to the side. Okay, next I'm going to sprinkle some water on top with the paintbrush. And remember, just put the right amount because we don't want it to be too much, and then kind of mix it. Okay, it might be more, so that's good. Okay, so mix it nicely and try to mix it everywhere you can. Okay, so as you can see, we mixed it everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to take 2 index cards. I have one of the same blank and other side line. So I'm going to use the blank side. And I'm going to put them like this so we can put 2 on it, okay? So you put 1, then I'm going to put the other one right there. And then I'm going to press it so the color gets on the index card. And yeah. And just remember that if you want to color it again, use tissue and wipe it and then use the color, or your markers are gonna get ruined. Okay, so just press them nice and tight so the color gets on. So got our first one done, and I'm gonna take out the second one. We got our second one done. So these look really beautiful. I love these. So if you want to use a Ziploc bag again to do the same thing, then you can wipe off with the tissue paper first and then use the markers. Okay, and you can put these out to dry for like maybe half an hour and they'll get dried. And these are the other 2 models that I had done before. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!